Hello, my name is Tasha Lewis Jean. However, my vibe tribe calls me the TLJ. And today I am actually starting a whole new segment on my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, I've been on a weight loss journey for the last 2.5 years. Those that have been with me from the beginning when I started the channel, you'll see the difference in how I look from when I started the channel to today. And so I have finally hit my weight loss goal. And when I hit my weight loss goal, I was thinking to myself, other people are about to embark on the same journey that I'm about to embark on. Whether you've lost weight via GLP, you've lost weight via a gastric sleeve or gastric bypass, or you have lost weight via Weight Watchers, putting in, working out, calorie deficit, however you got here, the journey has just begun because now we're in the next phase. It's called maintenance. And for me, as I start my maintenance journey, I always wanted to add a session to those of you that follow me. My other sessions are all about fashion, dressing, finding your personal style, and then finding the best possible fabrics and the best the best design houses that fit your personal style. So shopping, luxury shopping, and some travel. So that's what my channel has been all about this entire time. There are over 120 plus videos that you can watch all about that. Now I'm starting another segment. You've seen my segments on my sister lock journey. And now this other segment is going to be on my weight loss maintenance journey. Again, you can join this journey with me. It doesn't matter how you lost the weight, because this is the hard part. This is the serious hard part where we have to maintain all of the strides that we've made. And for me, I'm going to call this particular session, when I do them, Man in the Arena. Why? It's one of my favorite quotes from Theodore Roosevelt when he was giving a speech. And the speech goes like this: "It's not the critic who counts, not the man who points out how the strong man stumbled or where the doer of deeds could have done better. The credit belongs to the man who's actually in the arena, who's faced and marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who errs, who comes short again and again, because it's not because there was no effort without error and shortcoming, but who does actually strive to do the deed, who knows with great enthusiasm, great devotion, who spends himself in a worthy cause, who at the best knows and in the end, the triumph of high achievement, and who at worst, if he fails, at least he failed while daring greatly, so that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls, neither victory nor in defeat." This weight loss journey is going to be a battle. It has been a battle, and now the battle continues with maintenance. Maintaining the weight that you've lost, however you lost it. For me, it doesn't matter. What matters is, let's go into this battle together. Let's find solutions together, and let's go and trek through it. What you're seeing is me leaning into my laptop to make sure I go through everything. And for me, each session is going to be broken up into 5 pieces. 1, protein first, and we'll discuss how to get your protein, work out, move your body, walk, sleep, and manage your stress, drink your water. Each session will be a new one regarding what you're doing, what I'm doing to maintain the weight that we fought so gallantly to achieve our goals. So, wanted to go ahead and introduce the segment just like I introduced my channel years ago, and wanted to start right now and talking about how we're going to maintain this weight loss. And when you go in, you'll see the session will be labeled Man in the Arena, and then we'll have a topic, whether it's getting your protein in, whether it's what you're doing as far as segmenting to work out, other YouTubers that you're watching, who I'm watching, who you can watch as well. Walk. I do my walk every day. It's anywhere from 3 to 4 miles. Sometimes it's a fast speed walk. Sometimes it's a slow meandering walk, but I'm walking anywhere, and my goal is anywhere from 7 to 10,000 steps a day. That's it. I am working out in the morning, I'm walking at night, and I am managing my protein levels. I do suck at the water thing, but I'm finding different ways to get my water in and challenges I'm having with water. We'll discuss that all together, tips and tricks, because the maintenance part is hard. It was hard to lose the weight. It took me 2.5 years to lose the weight. It's going to be even harder to maintain what we've lost. So join me as we start the new session, Man in the Arena, and it is all about maintenance and maintaining the weight that you have fought so hardly, costly for those of you on GLP-1s, Weight Watchers, counting points, gastric sleeve, going into having major surgery, and then getting to the other side. However you lost the weight, this journey is all about the maintenance and maintaining the weight you so hardly fought for. And keep in mind, maintenance mode is anywhere, you stay in maintenance anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds. Your weight fluctuates as a woman or as a man because of hormones, water, and just different reasons that your weight will fluctuate, because the scale lies sometimes. We know it because it might be water weight, and then you know you did a bad job with water and you got to get back on getting your water right. So know that, don't obsess about the scale. Knowing that for me, I know between 5 and 10 pounds, my weight will fluctuate because I am a woman and hormones will do that to you. So please comment, please like, please subscribe, and please join me on the journey of maintenance with Man in the Arena.